Hi guys. Okay, we're a little bit late because I don't know, Zoom. Yeah, Zoom shut me out. I don't see the problem. Zoom shut me out. So anyway, we are back online. Okay, everyone's online and let's go. It's been a roller coaster day. Let's see the implications here. There are two possibilities here. Okay, there are really two possibilities, and let's see where we are. And I will tell you why. To me, it really doesn't matter. It's that, we just have to respect what happened and adjust it that way. Okay, now first things first, I want to take you here. Let's go to CoinGecko. Let's show our favorite thing, right? Where is it now? Okay, I want to show you this. Let us share the screen here. Let's go here to our favorite CoinGecko. There we are here. And where is the dominance? Why are you not showing it? Okay, dominance is 45.5. So that was a very, very big response last night. You saw us going down below 30K, right? Kind of scary. Was it 28.9, 28.5? I don't remember, but it rushed below there. And then it suddenly came back up again. And this is why I say I'm really not really worried about those chops go down. They come back up again. But this leads to a very interesting pattern. And for all of you Wyckoff people, I just want to show you this. This is a very interesting pattern. It kind of shows what we may get in the future here. Let me go here. Look at that. So this is the Wyckoff accumulation pattern. Now, not known to many people, but what we did last night by rebounding, okay, by rebounding back is that has happened already, okay? This has happened already. Let me draw it here. Important thing is that this has happened. There. We're somewhere here, right? We're somewhere here. It already shows. In order to get this thrust up, look, we got to go down here, which is around 31, 32. Go like that, go like that, go like that, go like that. Chop up until we are here, and then go up there. Now, there are a lot of things that can prevent this, so you need to know. Okay, there are a lot of things that can stand in the way here. Here, here. Okay, that can cause this choppiness. The first thing is Friday is options expiration. Okay, Friday is options expiration. Okay, which is really, really cool, and all of that grayscale stuff, right? But you look at this, it is like picture perfect. It's really picture perfect. So now let's look at Bitcoin. Just go on the 4-hour. Yeah, just go on the 4-hour chart. Let's go here on the 4-hour chart. If this thing just goes like that. And in the meantime, let's look at this. So again, just look at this. Just look at this very, very carefully, and voila. Where did it go to? Where did it go to? So you saw that just now. But anyway, while this resolves itself out, let's see what the news is now today. Okay, so again, look at that. Okay, SEC delays decision on Valkyrie Bitcoin ETF. That's okay for me because, you know, at the end of the day, if we trace out that accumulation pattern, there must be a rocket that allows it to go up, right? So we've seen that the SEC has been delaying this decision. We're okay with that, you know, because we want to be in a super situation such that when Bitcoin does that, maybe an ETF is approved and it goes up. Otherwise, how will it go up? That'll be stuck here forever, right? That's the other issue. So we kind of do not want that, okay? So yeah, keep on delaying. So this is another 45 days, okay? So we'll just have to keep on and monitoring all this, okay? Again, the good thing now is that a lot of people will say that, you know, they talk about Chinese miners not even in the mood to drink anymore. This is also good because why? Because now the miners are moving to America. Is it Maryland or Texas? And they're selling their rigs, okay, by the pounds. You can buy that also, but if you're in Malaysia or Singapore, I don't know whether the rates here are cheap enough anyway. We saw some Bitcoin miners here being caught stealing electricity. So don't get into trouble if you want to do that, okay? And what else is here? CBDC, Israel, no surprises there. I think all the countries are now going to CBDCs. Even China, right? China is probably the leading CBDC. And of course, because of that, they want Bitcoin out of the way. Bitcoin price very near bottom with 30K dips, say bullish institutional report. So here's the deal. Here's the deal. We do not know how long this will take. We just don't know. And for me, it's simple. Some call it a bear market. Some call it a bull market. To me, it's very simple. We are in a winter until this resolves. Done. And those in the private group, you will hear from me tomorrow and Friday, how we're going to get out of this. We are in a winter here. That's it. The winter requires a different mode of trading. And I have been here before. So, you know, just go back to what we know and what already works. And tomorrow you'll see real life examples of what works, because truth be told, I was already prepared for this. I just didn't think that, hey, I just didn't think that we were this early, right? But that's fine, you know, that's fine, that's fine. And one of the things that you guys know is really what's one of the things here is really the pool. The pooling is a key, right? Pool and that's why we're here as what pools. I just want to show you the examples of the pools. Some of the pools you will hear in the private group. Okay, so again, nothing going on there. I was just concerned more about Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum. Let me find Ethereum here. Okay, I'm gonna find Ethereum right there. Right. So okay, let's have. We've had enough of Bitcoin here, so we know what it is, right? It has to clear all this. That's fine. It's made this. We're here. Okay, we're here. So yeah, just take a picture of this. You want to know where we are at all times, which I think is very important. Now, the next thing is I want to see Ethereum here. Okay, Ethereum is struggling. That's Bitcoin, that's Ethereum. I have the S&P up also. Now, Ethereum is kind of struggling here to clear 2000. This, you guys know that July is a very big month for Ethereum, right? Why? Because of EIP 1559. In July, Ethereum is going to get burned. This is a fact. This is a fact. In fact, now if you ask me, I'm actually more bullish on Bitcoin than Ethereum, right? No, I'm bullish more on Ethereum than Bitcoin, because in this July 14th, whether the miners like it or not, Ethereum is going to get burned, and some of it is going to be burned from the face of this planet forever, making Ethereum finally a deflationary mechanism. I just love that. Okay, we cannot ignore that. That is most definitely coming. Let's see what else news do we have. And yesterday, okay, yesterday, I told you some things that work. If you guys know yesterday, there are two coins, okay? There are two coins that saw a lot of buying yesterday in the crash. This is weird, in the crash. On Coinbase, if you look at it at Coinbase, they saw something weird on Coinbase, that dot went up to 22. Okay, it's not here, but you see funny things happen in Binance, right? But Binance, we see the funny things happen downwards. That means people are shorting. That means yesterday in Coinbase, as all this hoo-ha was going on, people were buying DOT. This is a fact. So that's why I'm not surprised. Why were they buying DOT? I think they're preparing for the next phase, okay? Because the first phase, DOT has already delivered. Did you guys see this? Congratulations, Polkadot. Congratulations, Kusama. No, I don't want to see that. I want to see Akala. I thought that was the Akala thing, right? So Karura has already been awarded, okay? Karura has already been awarded with this, right? Let's see news here. News. So Karura has already been awarded with the first parachain. That's good. Karura is, Akala is the DeFi hub of Polkadot, right? So that I think is very important, okay? So Polkadot has shown that it can deliver. And as we go forward, we want to actually be associated with things that can deliver. So Karura parachain. So this is the parachain that's already awarded. There's more coming, okay? There's another like 4 weeks of this, right? But when Polkadot said that they're going to deliver, or they're going to announce the first parachain after yesterday, which is June 22nd, it's good that they did it, right? It's good that they did it. No more delays, okay? No more delays, so that's good. And I'm not surprised that the price of Polkadot went up. Now I'm glad. I don't know why this is not working. My internet is so slow. My internet here is slow. Yeah, you see that exit page. Okay, anyway, but that was done, right? But what I want to tell you, when that happens, right, what is happening here, it means that a lot of people are suddenly buying Polkadot, and it kind of like put stress on the system. This is good. This is what we want, okay? I mean, it doesn't matter that it didn't go anywhere else at 22. It's just that a lot of people buying this. Now, the other coin yesterday that a lot of people were buying in a crash, okay, in a crash or whatever you call it, was Ripple. I don't know what's up. I haven't seen the news here. Is this settled? I'm talking about, is this settled? Is this lawsuit settled? Maybe, okay, maybe. So in this period while we are here, while we are waiting for liftoff, and now the more I look at it, I think the liftoff pattern will only be here when we have an ETF. Looks like that, okay, because they delayed by 45 days, 45 days, 45 days. You put in your 45-day target anytime from now, okay? What are the pools? Because pools, at the end of the day, people are looking for pools to go into. So let's look at some pools in detail. Good ones, bad ones, we look at both. Of course, the most important one or the first pool that came out is Yearn Finance, because they were small. I know you see that, wow, Yearn is so big. Yes, but they were very, very small. You can connect the wallet. You can go to vaults, right? Earn 89% more weekly fees. This is fees. 89% more. It is not 89% per year, okay? 89% more fees, earning Yearn and all that. And I'm going to show you go to vaults. So let's go to vaults and see what happens there, okay? Let's go into vaults now. And I just want to show you the interest that these guys are delivering there. So again, they're working together with Curve. This is Boost, 30.7%, 32.94. Look at that. USD pair, 18.42. Not bad. Euro, 16.92. Can you get Euro 16.92 anywhere? I don't think so. I don't think so, really. USDC, 6.0. That is too low. That is too low. Yeah, that is too low, right? This is it, and all of this, Curve BUSD. Okay, there's a good question here. Uni, well, that's it. Okay, so next thing, there's a question here. When unlocking BTC by Grayscale, yes, BTC tends to go down. Alts will further drop. Okay, let me tell you what happened in 2018. Alts will further drop, yes, for 95% of the alts. Not for the 5%, because let me tell you, in 2018, when BTC dropped, the alts went up, okay? 2018, January to August, the alts went up. Now, to me, it's very simple. Look, the market has showed this, okay? There are future things coming for Polkadot. There are future things coming from Solana. I don't know what future things are coming from Ripple, XRP, but it moved. There was a lot of flow. Don't ignore the price now. Ignore the price. The fact is that on Coinbase, it did shoot up for whatever freaky reason. It doesn't matter. As long as you stick to the story, I think that's okay. That's why I said the bear market is not somewhere where we cannot make money. It's just that you have to be very careful in picking, okay? So again, okay, this is the thing now. Now let's look like another pool, okay? Another pool, so that is here. Now, I want to show you another pool here. This is a relatively new pool. Okay, but before that, I want you to show this, okay? Be careful of the pools when you have an anonymous team. Because anonymous team, Polywhale team, jump ship amid DeFi rug pool accusations. Look at that. They don't even know who's running the pool. Why people can go in and invest in things they don't know who's running it, I don't know, guys, but look what happened, okay? Now, I did go through their Telegram group. So this one, the price went up from like, was it $200 to like 13 cents now? So the treasury wallet has been drained. That means the wallet that holds the developer funds. You know, the people who are running this project, right? So they have taken out 1 million from there, okay? And someone reported this, and then there was panic, and then they deleted all the posts after pointing out that it had gone down, okay? So they were just taking out the tokens and they were selling it and they were depressing their tokens, okay, which is very sad. But this is why I don't know why people invest in something they don't know, right? I really don't know why, okay? So Krill, yeah, 180, guys, look at it, $180, 550 beginning of June, and then 13 cents. Okay, so I want you to make sure that if you invest in something, you must know who they are. Let me show you another example here. This is privacy swap. Let me show you another example here. Okay, we don't know now. Even if you know, you have to know what they are doing, okay? Like privacy swap. I'm putting here privacy swap.finance. Here they are, they're at 11.99. The high was 70. That's okay. To me, that's okay because that is like, yeah, the market crash or whatever. The thing is, if you put in the pool here, you still have your locking here, unlock here. Here are the stats here, total lock value and all that, max supply, CRV, PRV and all that. But look here, I want you to look at something because we are going to compare this with something else. Very important. Now, the thing is when, you guys know, right? When coins are released, they are suddenly hot, okay? Hot, it's fine. And then they go down, okay? They go down. This is like privacy swap. It's down, 70 to 11, okay? Now here's the difference. Difference number one, look at Poly, okay? Poly whale just now, 180 to $5, and then they ran away, right? Run, Forest, run. Why? Because nobody knew who that team was and they just could run away. So again, we know who the people are here. You need to know who the people are here. They are trustworthy people. You need to understand when you invest in something, again, not financial advice here, but if you invest in something, and I have to be careful not to give any buy call here, you are not investing in that price. Price can go up or down. Do you know the people here? Are they good people? Are they doing things to build the community? Okay, I'm going to show you today that. Look, are they doing something to build the community? Look, they even have a PRV army. That's good. This is like who? You guys know, right? The Link Marines. What about last week? We covered who? The ADA army, right? The ADA army is a very strong army here. The ADA army is such a strong army, right? They will stand by Charles Hoskinson no matter what, which is why I told you, right? If you are buying ADA, you are buying it for this. No, Titan is different, John. Titan is a technicality. They were trying to do something more fancy. This is good. Now, privacy is simple. My advice to you, try to go into simple DeFi. Okay, Titan was trying to do a peg to the dollar. And when that peg broke, there was a bank run. Different thing altogether, but good question. So look at this, okay? Next, what I want you to do is I want you to look at this very carefully because we're going to go to a comparison afterwards. Don't look at this. Look at this. Privacy card. Now, your coin comes down. You have to ask yourself, hey guys, Mr. Privacy Swap, what is going to make it go up? What is going to make it go up is this, the use case. If you do not have a use case, you could be stuck here at the bottom of the ocean. You have to remember that for these to give you rewards, they have to print tokens, right? They have to control the printing of tokens so that not too many are printed and the value goes down. But as they are printing tokens, you have to ask, what is the use? Privacy card. It is a debit card that allows you to spend your PRV token. That is important. I didn't put you the yield, right? Look, you look at all the yields, okay, they're good and they're competitive, but more important than all the yields, we haven't gone to the farms. I want to show you something else. I mean, you can go and check this out on all the farms and staking, whatever. I want you to look at these things. Okay, do you know them? Do you know them? The next thing is, do they have a use case? Now, let's look at the price now. Oops, is it this? Yeah, let's look at the price now. Come out wherever you are. So, okay, this is something, I want to show you something else afterwards. Okay, I'm going to show you something else afterwards. Now, this is privacy swap, PRV. Now, look at the price there at 12. I'm going to change this to day. Okay, let's see how it goes. So that's the day, right? Okay, let's look here. Okay, so it went up to the moon, went down, and it's here. So this is low. Okay, look at that, 172,000. Now I'm going to show you another coin. Now you guys have heard this guy that is on TikTok that made a coin, right? Scamily, Scamily or whatever it was. It's called Scamily. Okay, now let's look at Scamily now here. I just want you to prepare. Do we know this guy? Yes, we know this guy. He came out on Cointelegraph, right, guys? He came out on Cointelegraph. It's not like Polywhale. Check. I'm not in a Polywhale here. I'm in a privacy swap where we know people. Good, good. That's good. Look at the next one. They have scam paper. Okay, privacy swap has scam paper. But can you go down here and find me a use case? I don't see it. I see chart. I see buy. I don't see the use case. See farm. I see tokenomics. I don't see the use case. The use case is, yeah, this is good. I mean, it's being honest. Cool. DRE, cool, DRE. But where is the use case? What can I use scam for? I hope you don't say it's like trying to scam people, right? That's so not cool, right? So again, early adopter program. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. But what do I use scam for? Can you guys go to the site? I cannot see it. I know they want to use it for education, but I haven't seen anything. Now, you compare that, right? Privacy swap has a use case. This guy does not have a use case. I will show you the price again. Let me show you the price because you guys have to see this in order to truly understand this. Okay, this is Scamily. Guys, what is this? Only $985 transacted. This is small. This is small. Means nobody is here. Means you will be, you know, if we are here and John, if you and me are here, man, we'll be the only two guys here. I want you to look at this. Look at that. Look at that. It went up and went down. To go back up here again, I calculated would need 33 times. While privacy swap, I think, is a normal market correction. Call it a market correction or whatever in a market, which makes it cheaper. This is 33 times. Can you ever get your 33 times here? I don't see the use case. I'm not saying no. I just said I don't see the use case. Now, next thing that I want you to see is this. Again, look at this, guys. I want you to look at the pumps because you have to understand where the pumps are coming from. I just don't want you to go out and just go and look at a pool and be enamored. Okay, enamored. You fall in love with it, right? You think the rate is high. No. You ask more questions, okay? Again, these two are, this one, we know the person, so it's not a Polywhale, which is kind of cool, but we do not have a clear use case. I want you to look at this. Why did it go up here? Why did it go up here? Now, I've been through this because I wanted to understand the mechanics of the pool. It went through this because there was an influencer. Okay, it was kind of like an influencer comes in and, no, influencer was here, right? Influencer comes in here. Sorry, influencer was here. Went down, went up because influencer was here. Okay, so temporary, right? And then goes down some more. It came up here, I think, because of they burn a lot of coins. They burn like 99.5% of the coins, right? Go up, go down. Do you see that? Do you see that? Go up, go down. Anyone can make the coin go up. Now, at the end of Bitcoin Miami, right? Was it Bitcoin in Miami? Now, they're doing marketing. Actually, their marketing to me is quite impressive. So they were at the end of June there. They were there down in Miami, 31st May, right? You saw this article come out on Cointelegraph, right? Came out on Cointelegraph, went up and down again. What does that tell you? Okay, what does that tell you? That means this to me is very important. That means at the end of the day, yes, I agree that marketing is important because without marketing, you cannot get your message out. This is a must. But when you're marketing, what is important is the use case also, okay? Now, here's the deal with privacy swap, and I'm just using this as an example here. With privacy swap here, when the marketing is up, I expect, hey, Mr. Privacy guys, I expect to see progress on your privacy card. You understand? What's happening on the privacy card? You can say, hello, privacy army here. Can I know that when I can get this card so that I can spend some of those PRV, right? So that when I get this rewards, I can actually spend it. That is cool. But when you go somewhere else and there's nothing, you know what happens to the price. Having said that, can this be turned around? Yes, guys. You might say that, not this, but this, if they have a use case, yes, they will start recovering. Okay, but for now, because of the markets that we are in, I think people are not very forgiving, right? They expect something. Okay, and you guys should too. That means if you guys go in a pool, you want to hold on to something. Okay, you want to hold on to something like my mouse here. You want to hold on to this. You want to hold on to the belief that the mouse is actually going to be delivered. Okay, and that's the important in pooling. So I already showed you, just to summarize before I go, it'll be a little bit more because I kind of missed the beginning, right? I've showed you this, right? I've showed you this already, right? So that you guys remember, right? No-nos and no-goes or whatever, right? I've also covered you this. Let's go to privacy swap here. Okay, let's go here. Okay, I've shown you Polywhale, right? Polywhale, don't know anyone. Hey, bad idea, right? Again, and then we went to Scammerly. Okay, we know the guy, but we're not kind of clear on the use case. And we went now to privacy swap. Okay, so this is something that I want you to take. You can go and study all the pools, and we'll talk again next week because I think pools are going to be very important. Just make sure that we've gone through this, we've gone through this, we've gone through this. You now know what to look out for. And that is the lesson for tonight. So again, let's see what Bitcoin does during the next few days. And let's see how this, let's see how this develops. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Again, hold the line. Everything is still possible.